What's up, savages? This is an update to my previous video on the 13 weight loss tips that changed my life. In this video, I share the exact strategies I used to go from my heaviest at this to this just before getting pregnant with my second. I decided to reshoot this video because I got a lot of questions on that video. And I wanted to do a much better job explaining some of the tips. And I also added one tip that I think is really helpful. Even with all the questions, a ton of people messaged me and commented on the video saying how much success they had from simply implementing those tips. So if you're hoping to lose weight this year, keep watching this video. Quickly, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Juliana. I'm just a woman who really loves food. And I've firsthand seen how the tips that I'm sharing today in this video and on this channel have changed my life and the lives of others. And I want to share them with you for free. If you like learning about the actual evidence behind the latest health and fitness trends, please subscribe. This is going to be a two-part series because there are 14 tips. So make sure you also hit the notification bell so you know when part 2 goes live. Enough chit chat, let's get into the tips. Tip number 1 is to master making your favorite foods for less calories. Yay. This is actually what the fitness influencers are talking about when they say, it's a lifestyle, guys. That's what they're saying here.
But fitness is a lifestyle choice.
Fitness, lifestyle that fits in your lifestyle.
No joke, there's a way to make every single food you love for less calories. You can make an entire pizza that's typically like 1,000 to 2,000 calories for 300 calories. Solid 5 to 7 minutes to make. Creamy fettuccine alfredo for a fraction of the calories and significantly more protein. Cakes, pies, cheesecakes, breakfast burritos in the burrito. Oh, look at how cheesy and gooey that is. Yum. Whatever you're into for a fraction of the calories and still like 80 to 90% of the total yumminess factor. You're into Oreo McFlurries and McDonald's? Me too. I've got you. This is what the leaner version looks like. You cannot live without pasta or mac and cheese? Me too. I've got you. Take a look at this cheesy goodness. Here's some food swaps. Sub Greek yogurt for a portion of sour cream to up the protein and lower the calories. Sub PB Fit for peanut butter and it's half the calories. There's also a chocolate option which tastes about 70% of the way to actual Nutella. And everyone can eat a lot of Nutella. The trick is to add a little zero sugar sweetener to it so it's a little bit sweeter and it tastes very yummy. And if you're currently drinking a lot of regular soda, just switch everything to diet soda. I know you're probably like, but I don't like the taste. I don't like the taste of diet soda. If you're drinking a lot of diet soda, all you have to do is just switch this one thing and you're probably gonna lose a ton of weight. But you might be in that boat of like, oh, artificial sweeteners are gonna kill me. Excess fat is way more likely to kill you than any artificial sweeteners would. Studies suggest 23 plus cans of diet soda a day to be anywhere near the potential of getting cancer. As long as you're not drinking 20 plus cans of diet soda a day, I think you're okay. Just switch to diet soda. Same thing is true for how a lot of people take their coffee. I know you can go to Starbucks and have like 500 calories in one beverage. So check out my Starbucks video on how to make coffee taste just as sweet and yummy without all the calories. Sounds super simple, but this changes lives, you guys. If you have a massive sweet tooth like me, try the lower calorie ice cream options. Also, these keto brownies I picked up off of Amazon are not bad at all. I'll eat like half the pan for 360 calories, put a little halo top on that, and boom, what diet? You know what I'm saying? The savage way. There's always a way to make your favorite foods for less calories because it's a lifestyle. Tip number 2 is to stay hydrated. Do you drink coffee? That's a diuretic. Do you exercise or sweat? That's going to deplete a lot of the electrolytes or the essential minerals you need for your brain and body to function. Do you simply just not drink enough water throughout the day? Do you do a ton of mental work or spend a lot of time throughout the day studying? Cognitive function also requires more hydration. You definitely need some more hydration. So the next question you probably have is, okay, Juliana, so how much water should I be drinking? And I can't give you like a silver bullet answer like I'd love to because everyone's doing different things. Everyone sweats differently. Some people sweat more salt than others. So there's not like a straight line answer to this question. Personally, I aim to drink a gallon of water a day. Some people say to drink your body weight in pounds in ounces. The way I do it is I get a cute water bottle. I got this 40-ounce tumbler right here. I drink about 3.5 of those each day, put some stuff in it so it tastes a little bit better. I'm gonna talk about that in a second, and it makes the process of drinking water a little bit more fun. If you want me to be more specific about the water intake requirements, I got this equation from Andy Galpin. He's an exercise physiologist, and it's also suggested and endorsed by Stanford neuroscientist Andrew Huberman. Just for the amount you should be drinking during cognitive work, like studying, you take your body weight in pounds divided by 30. This will give you the number of ounces you should be drinking for every 20 minutes you are exercising or doing intense mental work. If you do the math, you're you're probably like, that's a lot of water, Juliana. I'm gonna be peeing all day. But if you think about it, peeing, it's like a free squat.
What?
You go down. I'm kidding, you shouldn't release your pelvic floor mid-squat, but you get the idea. You're working your legs and butt more just because you're drinking water. Bing bang. Last time I shot this video, a lot of you guys mentioned that you have trouble drinking enough water throughout the day. And a lack of hydration can absolutely increase cravings and decrease satiety, making it so much harder to drop the fat. This past year, I personally started using an electrolyte drink mix called Element. So when they reached out to support this video, I was like, yes, you guys, let's do it. What most people don't realize is that a lack of electrolytes could be a reason that you're not able to lose weight, because these important minerals facilitate hundreds of functions in the body, including hormonal regulation and nutrient absorption, two absolutely essential pieces to the weight loss puzzle. A lot of people, when they first start out on a healthier lifestyle, like in the new year, don't realize how a change to more exercise and less junk food can absolutely mess with your electrolyte levels, which can definitely make you feel like in the beginning. No wonder so many people give up on their weight loss goals in the first few weeks. What's special about Element is it contains a science-backed electrolyte ratio: 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium. You can look at the research on what makes this ratio so special in the link in the description below. But what I love about it is that unlike most of the electrolyte drink mixes on the market, this one has no unnecessary sugars or other crap your body doesn't need. Also, it makes the act of drinking water so much more fun by only adding an additional 5 to 10 calories. They have a ton of great flavors to pick from. My current favorite is their chocolate one. I'll mix it with a few ounces of almond milk and water, and it kind of tastes like chocolate milk to me. The raspberry flavor is also really good. The habanero options kind of remind me of a spicy margarita. There's also a flavorless option if you don't want any flavor whatsoever. There's something for everyone. Right now, Element is offering viewers of this video a free sample pack with any order to try all the flavors. This is a great way to sample all 8 flavors or share them with a friend. That's 8 single serving packets free with any order. Yay. You can get yours now by going to drinkelement.com/Juliana. This deal's only available through my link, so go to drinklmnt.com/Juliana. Thank you to Element for sponsoring this video. Tip number 3 is figure out how to make vegetables taste good and eat more of them. Ideally, eat them with every meal if you can. I know some of you were like, ew, veggies, gross, click off. But stick with me, I'm gonna give you some good hacks. People at the cutting edge of the weight loss research all unanimously agree that people need to eat more vegetables, and that upping your vegetable intake is a great way to make the weight loss process a lot easier for you. It helps your stomach feel fuller, longer, and eating more of them has literally been shown to help you live longer. Now, this is gonna sound weird, but personally, when dieting, I legit eat almost a pound of vegetables a day because I have the stomach of like a 500-pound man. It's just a bottomless pit. How I get my veggies in always changes. One of my current favorite ways to get veggies in is to literally pretend they're pasta. I know many of you like those zucchini noodles or those butternut squash noodles, but I've really been into this hearts of palm pasta at Trader Joe's. I'll add them to a pan with really light oil, add about 4 ounces of cream cheese. You can also do dairy-free cream cheese, a pound of shredded chicken, and a few ounces of pasta sauce to make this like creamy chicken pasta. This whole thing is 1,000 calories, and I'll either have it as a dinner, split it with my husband and my son, or save half a portion for lunch the next day. It's amazing. Give it a try. That's it for this video. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell so that you know when part 2 goes live. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.